Hello everyone. Industrial heat treatment furnaces and metallurgical consultancy. Welcome to URGS International Engineering Services Pvt Limited. In today's video, we will discuss industrial heat treatment furnaces, their applications across industries, critical design considerations, and how metallurgical consultancy plays a vital role in achieving consistent quality, performance, and compliance. URGS International Engineering Services Pvt Limited specializes in providing reliable, high performance heat treatment furnace solutions supported by strong metallurgical expertise and engineering support. Our focus is not just supplying furnaces but delivering complete heat treatment solutions that improve product quality, reduce rejection, and optimize operational efficiency. Importance of heat treatment in manufacturing. Heat treatment is a critical metallurgical process used to alter the physical and mechanical properties of metals without changing their shape. Proper heat treatment improves hardness, strength, toughness, wear resistance, dimensional stability. However, even the best designed furnace will fail to deliver results without correct temperature control, uniform heat distribution, proper soaking time, control heating and cooling rates, metallurgically sound process parameters. This is where engineering design and metallurgical consultancy must work together. Industries served by URGS furnace solutions. Third, URGS furnaces are designed for a wide range of demanding industrial sectors, including forgings and foundries, normalizing, annealing, quenching, and tempering, automotive and auto components, gears, shafts, fasteners, springs, aerospace and defense, critical components requiring strict metallurgical control, heavy engineering and fabrication, stress relieving and structural heat treatment job shops, batch and continuous production environments. Each industry has unique metallurgical and production requirements, which is why a standard furnace is often not enough. Fourth, furnace types offered by URGS. Best type heat treatment furnaces. Ideal for flexible production, multiple component sizes, and varied heat treatment cycles. Commonly used for annealing, normalizing, hardening, and tempering. Bogie hearth furnaces, designed for heavy and large components such as forgings, castings, and fabricated structures. These furnaces ensure high load capacity, robust construction, uniform temperature across large workpieces. Pit type furnaces, widely used for shafts, gears, and long components. Vertical loading helps minimize distortion and ensures consistent heat penetration. Bell furnaces, suitable for controlled atmosphere heat treatment such as annealing, spheroidizing, stress relieving, particularly effective for wire rods, coils, and stack components. Continuous and customized furnace systems, designed for high volume production lines, ensuring consistent quality, repeatable metallurgical results, reduced cycle time. URGS also offers custom engineered furnace systems based on component geometry, production rate, heat treatment process, energy source availability. Heating methods. Furnaces can be supplied as electric fired, gas fired, oil fired. Selection depends on energy efficiency, operating cost, temperature uniformity requirements, local fuel availability. Fifth, engineering design features. Every furnace supplied by URGS is engineered with a strong focus on temperature uniformity, achieved through optimized heating element or burner layout, airflow design, and insulation systems. Process reliability and repeatability, ensuring consistent results across batches and shifts, critical for quality assurance. Energy efficiency, use of high quality refractory insulation, efficient burners, and optimized control systems to reduce fuel consumption. Robust construction, designed for long service life under harsh industrial conditions. Compliance with standards. Furnaces are aligned with applicable industrial safety and metallurgical standards. Sixth, metallurgical consultancy for heat treatment. At URGS, we strongly believe that furnaces alone do not guarantee quality. Metallurgical consultancy is essential to select the correct heat treatment cycle, prevent defects such as cracking, distortion, decarburization, or soft spots, ensure compliance with customer and international specifications. Our metallurgical support includes material identification and grade verification, heat treatment cycle development, heating, soaking, and cooling optimization, quenching media selection and control, troubleshooting heat treatment failures, process audits and improvement recommendations. We support processes such as annealing, normalizing, hardening and tempering, stress relieving, carburizing and case hardening. Our consultancy ensures that metallurgical properties achieved in practice match design intent. Seventh, end-to-end engineering and support capability. URGS International Engineering Services Pvt Limited provides complete project support, including application and process requirement analysis, furnace type and capacity selection, technical specification finalization, customer coordination during execution, commissioning support, after sales technical assistance. We work closely with clients as engineering partners, not just equipment suppliers. Now, closing and call to action. 8th, if you are looking to improve your heat treatment quality, reduce rejection, or upgrade your furnace systems with strong metallurgical backing, URGS International Engineering Services Pvt Limited is ready to support you. Partner with us for dependable heat treatment furnace solutions and expert metallurgical consultancy that enhance quality, productivity, and operational efficiency. For technical discussions and project inquiries, email info@urgseng.com, mobile +917359458455. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to stay connected with URGS International Engineering Services Pvt Limited. Thank you.